Hey guys, today we're with Jump from TC Brothers, our tyre dealer, and we're looking to fit a K-string to his 15,000 max. As you can see, there's no provision on the hood here for the K-string, so we've got a pre-made tab, and we'll take that and we'll fit that to the hood here. Okay, so our first step is going to be to remove the hood bolts. Stage one's complete. Pong has removed the hood, and what we want to do now is we want to take the pre-made tab. We want to put that as high and as far forward as possible. Pong's actually put a line here and he'll mark that across both pieces, and then he'll go through and do a template on the outside and drill the holes. As you can see, Pong has fitted the bulkhead with the K-string tab. He's fixed it in a position that's forward and to the top, and then what we'll do now is we'll go across to the motor, go to the K-string port, which is on the left hand side looking at the motor. Take a 19mm spanner. We're just going to crack this. There's probably going to be a little bit of oil that comes out of here. Obviously the motors get tested. So we're going to take our K-string hose, as you see here, and we'll remove the adapter from the 1/4 inch end. Take the end with the dowdy washer, and we're going to fit that against the face of the motor. Do it up finger tight there, and then take that 19mm spanner. Just want a nice firm fitment. That's all we need there. And then take the hose again, the swivel end, and we'll fit that. And what we want to do here is we want the hose to go back towards the back of the motor. We'll also take that 19mm spanner and do it up. At this point in time, we're going to have to refit the hood, but ultimately the hose will then go home in the bulkhead here, allowing fitment where this cap gets removed. All we need to do now is refit the hood. Okay, so hood's back on. As you can see, we've positioned it. We've used one of the hood bolts just to check that our positioning is right. We'll reapply the Loctite on those bolts and send it home once we're happy with this fitment. So we're going to take off the cap and the retaining screw here, or retaining nut I should say. These ones will be a 21mm spanner. Nice firm fitment there. And we can reapply the cap and put the hood bolts back in. Job done.